Good morning, 7th class. Now we are going to do the topic algebraic expression. We first discuss about the degree of algebraic expression. Let us first discuss about the degree of algebraic expression. Degree is the greatest exponent of that variable. जब एक algebraic expression given होगा उसके अंदर जो भी variable का सबसे बड़ी exponential form होगी, सबसे बड़ी power होगी, that will be the degree. For example, I've taken an example here, x cube plus 2x7 minus 4x4. So greatest power of x is 7. So the degree of this algebraic expression is 7. Now what happens if we have two variables x square y square plus 2x square minus 4x? Now in this case, जितने भी variables हैं, the value will be added, like 2 plus 2 will be 4, x 2 x 1. When there is no sign, so that is 1, we know that. So the value of x becomes 1 here. So the greater power of terms here is 4. So the degree of the expressions becomes 4, right? So this is the degree. Now we are going to do operations on like terms. One is addition, one is subtraction. Addition. To find the sum, we will add the numerical coefficient of a variable. To find the sum, we will add the numerical coefficient and variable should be written as it is. जैसे वेरिएबल रिटर्न है हम वैसे ही लिख देंगे एंड वी विल जस्ट ऐड द न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट. फॉर एग्जांपल x plus x, these are like terms, they have same variable, so x plus x is 2x. 3x plus 4x plus 5x, these are like terms. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 5 is 12x. Now minus 2a plus brackets minus 3a, a is a like term, plus minus becomes minus, we'll add the numerical coefficient, that is 2 and minus 3, it becomes minus 5 and a is written added as it is. Now what about subtraction? It is done in the similar way, just the only difference is minus 2a from 3a. Remember, when it's written from, 3a is written first, then minus and minus 2a. Now the sign will be changed because of, as we do in integers, minus minus plus. So 3 plus 2 is 5, a is written as it is, right? Now operations on unlike terms. So I have taken an example here, minus 4mn plus 4, 12mn minus 2. This is the term, this we have to add. So first I am taking the horizontal method, minus 4m plus 4, 12mn minus 2. First we'll write this term as it is, minus 4m plus 4. Now in this term we will write the like term side, like this is mn. Where is the mn term? Here. So we'll write plus 12mn minus 2 and then we will do the operation like this. Now let's see some examples of the exercise 6.3 D part. Question 1, 4m minus 6n, 2n minus 7 plus 12 and 4m minus 4mn minus 15. First we will write the first term, 4m minus 6n. Second term, first is 2n, the sign is plus, so we will write it below the n variable, plus 2n. Now second is m, we will write it below the m variable, and the one constant that is not in the first term, we will write it separate. Now the next term is 4m minus 4mn minus 15. So plus 4m mn. There is no term mn, so we will write it separately, minus 4mn minus 15. And since there is no n term, we can write a 0 here and we can also write a 0 here, so that it's easier for us to calculate. Minus 4mn is written as it is, 12 minus 15 is minus 3, minus 6n plus 2n is minus 4n, and when we calculate this, our answer will be m. This is the vertical method. Now let's see the horizontal method. We have written the terms, putting the add sign in between. Now first what we will do is we will put the like terms together, m, m, m. So we'll put the like terms together. Then 6n minus 6n plus 2n. We'll put the like terms together. Then 12 minus 15 and minus 4m. Right, then we will solve m plus minus 4n plus minus 3 minus 4mn. m minus 4m minus 3 minus 4mn. So this is the answer. Now let's see question 2. It says subtraction 5x minus 3y from minus 2x plus 8y. Vertical method. Now what is the difference in adding and subtracting? First we'll write minus 2x plus 8y, then 5x minus 3y. The difference is we will change the sign of the expression we have written second. So this is plus, we'll write minus. This is minus, we'll write plus. And similarly we'll write only the like terms. So now it becomes minus 5x minus 2x, that is minus 7x, plus 3y plus 8y, it is 11. So the answer is minus 7x plus 11. Now minus 2x plus 8y minus 5x minus 3y. Now I have opened the brackets. Now when I open the brackets, 5x minus with minus 5x becomes minus, the sign changes. Now this is minus 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 plus. Now we will first put the like terms together. Minus 2x minus 5x we will put together. 8y plus 3y we will put together. So it becomes minus 7x plus 11y. Now there is a question to simplify. When we need to simplify, again we will do that. Only we will collect the like terms, like 9a square minus 4. So I have written that first. Then minus 3b plus 7b, I have written that. 5a square plus 4b cube. Now I've just taken an example, question number 5. The sum of two numbers is given to us. If one of them is minus 2ab plus a minus 5b, find the other. Sum of two numbers is given, and out of those numbers one number is given. In this case we always subtract. So but from which number do we have to subtract? From the sum we have to subtract the given number. So we'll change the sign. Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, and plus becomes minus. And do remember 5ab plus 3b plus 7a, I have to write according to the like terms. Minus 2ab minus 5b plus a. Then I have changed the signs. So it becomes 7ab plus 8b minus 6a. Right? So this is the second term. I hope this is clear to you. I want you to do the first 3 exercises of this chapter. Submit it to me by Monday. Have a nice day.